I can't get this to...
What? Put the red one in a little bit more. I think you could put that
The
in.
what?
The red wire on the ESC.
Oh, it was overheating.
Really? In that water? In that water? It was overheated.
I don't know. I mean, it works now.
Huh. I guess so.
Dang it. I'm trying.
Man, these clipless bodies.
What?
These clipless bodies, man.
I really don't want to run this bodyless, but I will.
Really?
No! Shut up!
Bruh.
You motherfucker. I still take the fronts off. Alright. Crawling. Hang on, no. For crying out loud. Alright, you ready?
Yeah.
Oh, dang it, my... Oh, dude, this is what was causing all it to stay like that.
What the
The wheelie bar.
the wheelie bar?
Yeah, back up.
Yeah, no, I'm gonna back up.
All right. 3, 2, 1.
Yo. Don't make it rain even more.
Look at your car.
Yeah. That's crazy.